Okay, good day, guys. Welcome back to this channel. Really, welcome back. Now, to those that are yet to subscribe, please do me a favor by clicking on that subscribe button. Make sure you do not leave without subscribing. Subscribe, like, also make your comments. If there's anything you want to ask, just say it. I'm going to, reply. I'm going to watch out for it and reply. So let's take a look at S&P 500, or we can see our SPY, or anything that relates to US 500 or US 500, S&P 500 movements. We would want to know where this market will be moving for this week. But before I actually get started, right, I actually predicted this movement from here down to this sell, right. I think it was a level of 3,990. I'm sure 3,990. I actually predicted that movement, right. This sell, we actually made a lot of profits from this sell. If you want to confirm if I predicted this move, I want you to actually go to the comment section. I'm going to put a link to this playlist, right, and you'll see it, S&P 500 SPY. You can now watch it. You can watch it. This was the trade you actually took on March 6th. That is on my Patreon channel. So if in case you're interested in this, I'm going to give good setup, especially on, is it Nasdaq 100 you want, good setup on US 30. If you want good setup on S&P 500, or you can say SPY, or anything that has to do with US 500 and natural gas. If you want good setup, good entry points, you want to make a lot from this, right, you can just become my Patreon subscriber with just 20 USD. This is exactly why I've created this thing, to actually give you a good setup, to actually solve your problem from losing. If you are losing on this stock indices, then become one of our subscribers. Then I'm going to give you a good setup on this. So you can go back to this playlist, you can watch it, for you will see that I actually predicted this move. Once you also go to this channel, check the playlist, you will see some of our, search for some of our S&P 500. You will see that most of our analysis we predicted are actually profit. You can see our gold, we actually made a profit from gold. S&P 500, we made a profit. You can see US 30, we made a profit. Nasdaq 100, we made a profit. So this is why I said good setup on this indices that I've watched out for. With gold, with natural gas, we would be good, putting out a good setup. So if in case you're interested, you can become one of our Patreon subscribers. Give it a try for just a month and you will not be disappointed. So this is S&P 500. We actually predicted this drop. I should have actually given out a prediction on this drop also, but I did not do that. I actually put out analysis on Nasdaq 100, which we actually profited from it. Nasdaq 100 and US 500, they kind of like move the same way. If there's a drop on US 500, definitely there will be a drop on Nasdaq 100. If there's a bullish move on US 500, then there will be a bullish move on US 500. Nasdaq 100 and US 500 similarly move the same way. So this week, right, there's going to be a bullish move, then a drop. We will be expecting a drop, but first, a bullish move will actually play out first. Then once this bullish move could be a small one, could be a big one. That is just that's the thing. We can get that bullish move to a level of 3918. I'll repeat again. This bullish move can hit a level of 3918. It can also go ahead and hit a level of 3990. If possible, go ahead and hit a level of 4042. That is 4042. So basically, what I'm trying to say is that this SPY or S&P 500 bullish move that we will be expecting first could be a big one, could be a small one. If it is a small one, then the next movement that will follow would be a drop. If it is a big one, very much likely we might close bullish this week. Who knows? But the entry points, exit points, the take profit points. If in case you're interested, you can just give it a try for just a month. Become one of our Patreon subscribers, then you get the good setup. So this S&P 500, I believe there will be a bullish move first. The thing is, it could be a big one, it could be a small one. What I'm going to do is watch out for the news, read the news, watch out for the news that will come out. Then with that news that comes out and everything, then I'm going to decide if this S&P 500 will continue to go bullish or it actually gets that drop. So basically, I'm going to cover everything on this Patreon channel. So once you need it to sign up. So let's see what this 4-hour time frame says. So this is a correction. This is a drop. Like I said again, now that this drop has played out, another bullish move will definitely play out. It could be a small one. It could be a big one. So we just need to watch out for it. The entry points and everything, I'm going to cover it on the Patreon channel. So once you sign up, you will get it. Now this 1-hour time frame, so I think price is kind of getting a weak movement here. Maybe probably due to the raising, a lot of people were actually closing their trade. They are scared to sell, they are scared to buy. A lot of weaknesses are here. But on Monday, we will decide the movement next. So that is I'm going to give it out to my Patreon subscribers. So this is what I'm watching out for on S&P 500. A bullish move first will play out. This bullish move that I'm watching out for this week could be a big one, could be a small one. Then once the bullish move is over, another drop will follow suit.